But I saw them selling sugared stinky tofu. Now, sugared stinky tofu sounds very weird to me. Never seen anything like it. Oh, look at this. Xie, thank you. Wow, look at that. Xie. Oh, stinky tofu. Super nice, delicious. This actually doesn't smell that stinky. Surprisingly enough, it's much stinkier in Malaysia than it was here. Served up with some kind of oniony or something with some beans. Look at that. Let's try it. Very hot. Very, very hot. One thing I've learned about fried food being in Asia is don't eat it when it's too hot. Look at that. It doesn't smell that stinky. It smells like deep fried tofu to me. Here we go. It's very nice. Oh, that's delicious. Maybe they mean that by the this is Chinese street food. It's fine. Super delicious.
Why do they call it sugar?
Very delicious.
Why do they call it sugar?
I don't know why they call it sugar, yeah, I don't know why. I'm trying to work that one out. And Shanghai definitely lives up to it, it's very good.